Hi everybody, Stampin' Sue Creates here. Thanks so much for joining me. If you're brand new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. So I have a new subscription box. I know. Facebook could be a good thing or a bad thing. So this was recommended on my Facebook page. It's called Sips By, and it's sipsby.com, and they offered a 50% off coupon for your first box. So I thought, okay, I'm going to try it. So you may be wondering, what is Sips By? Well, Sips By is teas. So I recently got into teas. I mean, I'm a coffee fanatic. I have to admit, I love my coffee. But I think tea has its place as well. So I thought, well, this would be like, sometimes you go to the store and they have tea. Well, there's like 25, 30 packets or loose tea that there's a ton of it. And I mean, how do you know if you're going to like it? I recently bought one from the grocery store. It was a Paul Newman, and it was a cinnamon one. And I do love this is my cinnamon. I think it's hot cinnamon spice. And if you like red hots, you'd love that. So I have my little pot, and I make up a little pot of it. And I bought the Paul Newman one, which was a cinnamon. And I'll drink it, but I really don't like it as much as this other one. So when this came up on my Facebook feed, because, Facebook is able to read your mind. I don't know about you, but I swear that I think of something, next thing you know, it shows up on Facebook. So this is sipsby.com, and it's a monthly subscription box. I have to be honest, I don't remember how much it is, but I will, down in the description, I will put information about it. So let's take a look. All I did was cut the tape, and I want to say that the first box came within about a week from when I actually filled out the information. I just want to make sure that y'all can see. So this is April Teas and sipsby.com. And it's also hashtag SipsByBox. So here's a paper. And they do ask you questions as to what you like, what you don't like, if you have dietary restrictions, things like that. So you kind of fill out a questionnaire. And so this one says, made for Susan. Woohoo! It says, April is here, Susan, and with it comes the promise of fresh blooms and longer days. Whether you take your tea on the go for a spring stroll or enjoy it cozied up at home, we hope you love your selections this month. Share your Sips by Box with us to enter to win a free month. Use hashtag SipsByBox and tag @SipsBy and the brands below. XOXO Team Sips By. Okay. So it looks like we have a Sportia Sips by Sportia. And it tells you 1 bag per 6 ounces of water. And it says very low caffeine. It's a high-performance nutritional drink formulated for active people. I don't know what I filled out for them to think I was active, but okay. Desiring a nutritious alternative to coffee, soda, alcohol, and sugary athletic drinks. So let's see. Okay, so that must be this one here. The ultimate daily beverage with EC, ginseng, vitamin C, and electrolytes. It's an energizer, no calories. So sustaining energizer, no calorie, and nutritious stress fighter. Decaf equivalent, hot or iced. So yeah, don't just think tea has to be hot. It could be cold too. So it says energize your day. Naturally citrus sweet, promotes alertness and no negative attributes. So they gave me 4 of those. So they tell you how to, over boiling water, let seep 3 to 5 minutes, or iced. Seep 20 to 30 minutes and serve over ice. So interesting. No artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. So we'll have to give that a try. So like I said, there are 4 of those. Okay, the next one here. Organic cinnamon Rooibos chai. I don't know. Rooibos? I'm not sure. By David's Tea. Okay, so it's caffeine free. Rooibos. Rooibos. Yeah. And cinnamon are a powerhouse combination. Cinnamon enhances your ability to concentrate, and Rooibos is super hydrating and bursting with vitamins and minerals. Okay, so that would be this one. Organic cinnamon. Okay, so this is loose tea in here. I guess there's 2 of those. Okay, cool. So I got to figure out how to do that. I may have to get something. I used to have a little pot thing. I'll have to look to see if I still have it. I have a pot that I can put my tea bags in, but I don't have one for loose tea. Okay, Skin Magic Tea, Sips by Your Tea. And, oh, so down underneath here, it's for the last one, it says Rooibos Apple Cinnamon All Organic. So Skin Magic Tea has black tea. It's hard to read this. Licorice root, jasmine flower, aloe vera, lotus seed heart. So this one contains caffeine. Sip this blend of Chinese herbs to help clear your skin from the inside out. For best results, your tea recommends drinking 2 tea bags per day for 4 weeks. Oh, I don't think they gave me enough for that. So this is Skin Magic Tea. And let's see, there's 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 4 of those. So I won't have enough to drink 2 tea bags per day for 4 weeks, but Skin Magic Tea, and it doesn't really say anything else on it. So that's interesting. And then the last one here says Tend Sips by Steep Echo. And this is organic olive leaf, dandelion leaf, lemon, myrtle, corn silk, couch grass? Wait, I gotta put my glasses down so I could read it. Yep, couch, looks like grass. Recommendation, definitely Sips by. You need to make that print a little darker. Us people is 60 years old can't see it. Natural mango flavor, natural pomegranate flavor, caffeine-free green tea, and has stevia in it. So it's caffeine-free. This flavorful blend of the finest natural olive leaf, corn silk, and couch grass. With fruity notes, is a gentle keeper of health, attending to proper digestion along a steady course. Okay. So that one, there is 4 of those. And Steep Echo, caffeine-free. Okay, so basically says that. And the contents. Oh, the contents are right there. I could have just read that. It looks like they're from California. So there's 4 of those. And then there's this little baggie. Let's see what this is. What do we have in here? Oh, okay. Okay, so these little bags, they have little tea. This one has a little, hold on a sec. They have little strings. So I guess you put your loose tea in here. Yes. And, okay, so you open your little baggie, you put your loose tea. Oh, well, there you go. I won't have to look for my pot. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little bags. All right, well, that's cool. So I guess this one that's loose, I gotta put my glasses down again. Oh boy, that's hard to see. 1 tea single, 1 portion. 16 ounces of water. Okay, that's hard to read. That's very hard to read. But anyhow, they give you the little bags to put your loose tea in. And I guess you could probably make them, you know, to the strength that you want. So this is fun. So I don't know. Maybe it'd be something you'd want to try. They're not sponsoring me. They didn't send this to me for free or anything. It's Sips By. If you're watching, you can. I'd love to open them every month. And yeah, this is going to be something fun to try. So yeah, it says enjoy your teas. And I think it came, well, I don't know. I think it came the Postal Service, United States Postal Service. Put that in. And cute little box. And it's going to be something fun. So I'll have to let you know. Thanks so much for joining me. This is something you'd want to check out. It's sipsby.com. SIPSBY.com. And check it out. See if it's something you'd be interested in. And if you are, let me know. Which one of these do you think you'd be interested in trying? Should be fun. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.